Right. Good morning, students. Look here. Today our concept, the nature of fluid. Class hearing, friction, video 5. Nature of fluid. Already we know fluids mean gas and liquids. Where gas and liquids are giving friction, that the friction is called fluid friction. Here very clearly nature of fluid, look here, the nature of fluid, more the particles are closer, more is the density, hence more is the friction offered. If more particles are close, then more density we will call. That more density can give more friction. Look here, I draw one glass picture. Drinking water glass, water drinking glass, drinking of water glass I draw. In that glass I taken more than half water and upper layer I taken with oil, which is overflow on water. Oil is up of the water, slowly I poured, that's why. Oil is up of the water. Why oil is up of the water? Because oil density is lesser than water density. Simple. Water inside particles are more. Oil inside particles are less. That's why oil is up of the water. So now I can tell with one experience, that is water friction is more than oil friction. Or oil friction is less than water friction. Simple. When you are putting any one chalk or any one thing in that, from oil it will take less time to go down, but from water it will take more time to reach the bottom of glass, because water having more density, so more density can offer more friction to any object. That is the meaning. Next, reduce. To reduce fluid drag steps. What are the steps? Reduce fluid density. What are the steps? Look here. Objects are given special shapes. What is that shapes? That is important. Objects are given special shapes. What is that? They are made streamlined. Streamlined is nothing but shape. Head should be in stream, I mean sharpened state. Look here, this triangle head is sharpened, streamlined, streamlined, streamlined. These shapes of that both are called streamlined. That is both I drawn. Slowly I drawn, don't feel. Here streamlined. Look here. Streamlined shape. Streamlined means take one bird, pigeon, parrot, whatever, any one bird. They are having head is streamlined, not in rectangular form or not in square form. They are containing streamlined form to their head or body to go speedily. To go speedily. Streamlined. Another one I can tell. Aeroplane structure is streamlined. Helipad, helicopter structure is streamlined. Rocket structure is streamlined. Here look here. Why birds, fishes have streamlined? Look here. Why birds, fishes have streamlined shape? Because look here. They have streamlined their body in order to overcome the friction. To overcome the friction which is offered to them by fluids, either gas or water. Ducks. Some birds are there in water. They will go with speed because their body structure is streamlined. Many birds are in air. They also will go with their speed because their body structure is streamlined. That is the meaning here. Why birds are having that streamlined structure? To overcome the friction which is offered with air or water. reducing the surface area, as streamlining reduces the surface area. Yes, streamline can reduce the surface area either downside, upside, head side, tail side, whatever. Surface area more, automatically friction is more. If surface area is more, then friction is more. Simple. And look here, three types of frictions are there. Three types of friction. One static friction, one sliding friction, one rolling friction. These three types compulsory will come in exam. Concentrate. What is static friction? Look here. Static friction, which comes into notice when one body is just in contact with another body. One body is just in contact with other body, but there is no relative motion. Motion is not there. Body contact. For example, look, this chalk box, body contacted with my hand. Chalk box body is contacted with my hand. This contact is called contact between chalk box surface area and my hand surface area is called static friction. Static friction between chalk box and hand surface area. Not motion, just contact between two objects. Contact between two objects area. Contact between two objects surface area is called static friction. And next what is there? Sliding friction. When one body slides over another body. For example, small children are there and they dragging their bags after putting down on the floor. They are dragging their bags on floor. I mean, bag slides on floor. Bag sliding on floor. That is called sliding friction. Are you understanding? Sliding friction in aeroplane, in railway station, or in aeroplane station. When persons are coming from the stations outside, their bags are in sliding friction. Their bags are in sliding friction. Look there. What is rolling friction? When one body rolls over the surface of another body. Marble, when you are putting down, marble rolling on surface of floor. When marble rolls, marble can rolls on the surface of floor. So, marble's rolling is called rolling friction. Marble's moving process is called rolling friction. That only I said there. Here, I can tell you one thing. These three types of frictions are there now. Which friction have more, which have less, which is medium? Static friction. What is the area in contact? Static friction, look here. What is the area between two objects in contact? That is called static friction. Static friction is more. Static friction have more friction to it. And sliding friction, medium friction there, and rolling friction, it is very less friction, because contact between two surfaces is more in static friction. Contact between two surfaces is medium in sliding friction. Contact between two surfaces is too much less in rolling friction. Interlocking of surfaces more in static friction. Interlocking of surfaces medium in sliding friction. interlocking of surfaces is less in rolling friction. Okay, thank you.